I've now completed the installation of the Android Studio. I'm now getting prompted right here when I try to start it up. I'm being asked if I want to import any settings. We don't want to import any settings, so I will leave Do Not Import Settings checked, and I'll click on OK. And then Android Studio is going to start up. All right, so we're going to see a lot of additional stuff that we need to download here. So unfortunately, we're going to go through a couple steps. We'll take a pause to download a bunch of stuff and then repeat the process 1 or 2 times. But don't worry, we'll get through this together. So I now see this wizard appear right here. I'll hit Next. I'm going to select Standard. I'll hit Next again. Now it's prompting me here to ask if I want to use some particular theme. We are not going to use Android Studio for writing code here. So pick whatever theme you want. We're not really going to be using it. So here we go. It's now asking me to download an additional 1 GB worth of files. So I'll click on Finish, and that's going to start out the download process again. So once again, we'll take another pause and continue in the next section.